It's already raining.
That's better though. I can use both of them, you know. Say me. I'm gonna go right now.
All right, Colin, what do you have to say to the people?
Day 47 out here. Just blew up Spencer's new Lambo. It's a pretty funny prank. We're thirsty, we're hungry.
Look at the lens.
We know how survival. Yeah. Really, dude? You snake me like that?
I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna ride it with it sticking out.
But then when you tighten it down, it's like, it's you gotta do it so it's like even.
It's not gonna fit straight because I painted it, remember? A long time ago. So I'm just gonna YOLO it, and if I break it, buy a new one. Alright, it's not sitting straight, so if this headset breaks in like a week, 2 weeks.
Sorry, I'm not freaking rich.
I'm not rich either. Well, how did I ride it before? Did I just or what?
Crash my car.
Good is a piece of crap anyways.
Hold in.
It's hot. But it feels good. You know what I'm saying?
This is hard. How do you feel today?
Good.
How good?
Really good.
Like how really good?
Like really good.
Like how good?
Really good.
I need to know like how good though.
Like this good. Like wide. This good. I'm gonna go. This is a fit Tom Dugan signature!
What he said.
We're out here at the skate park doing some sweet tricks and stuff. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
I think I'm gonna dive in front of the car. Okay, bye.
Dude.
Whoa, whoa.
What's going on my Snapchat store? Hashtag Cameron Stone 2K14 edit song.
Why do they always play all of our edit songs on
I
there?
don't know. Copycatters.
Alright, about to go ride. Squad. It's already raining.
That's better though.
Thought I left my gloves downstairs. I'm so excited to ride my dirt bike. Hi. Justin Barsha. Got, just while it rains, we'll just do a motorbike check. I got Factory Effects Yamaha graphics kit. Got stickers that my dad had for a long time. Got this one off JSL for like $10. Sponsored by and Arby's. You know, gotta get don't forget the cheese, 'cause more cheese is always better. So all my supporters out there, Tech9, Jeezy, he texted me this morning, he said good luck, and I was just like, dude, like, I appreciate the support, man. Show me some love. Mother Nature, she's chill. She's chill. If you want to ride in this.
Yeah. You realize that's gonna make like the dirt like perfect.
Okay. Riding that bike over?
You?
What are you gonna do with that bike?
Leave it here?
Oh, okay.
What do you know?
Alright, we are out. It stopped raining a little bit, so it's perfect riding weather. And Lele is here. He's inside.
Hey guys, I'm ending it in my room again. Thanks for watching. I was gonna upload some GoPro footage of us riding, but we didn't have an SD card that had enough memory on it, and we were just kind of itching to ride. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.